Hi, this is Akash Ghosh and you're watching English with Waterfall. So in this video, you are going to learn the valuable lesson in which you are going to fix up the problem that if this sentence is correct or if this sentence is wrong. Okay, so this kind of sentence, people think these are wrong, these are right. So people are confused about these kinds of sentence. So they oftentimes ignore these kinds of sentence and they do not use in their daily life because they're not sure how these kinds of sentence framing should be used in their life. Okay, so I'm going to fix up this problem for you so that you can properly use these kinds of sentence in your own life too, and you can make your English learning journey more beautiful. Okay, so our sentence is: if I were a prime minister, I would focus on education, technology and business. So what did I say? So it's kind of if sentence. If I were this, if I were that, if I were that, I would do that. But the thing is, I have used I were, but from the starting you are just knowing that after the word, this word I, okay, we always use was. But why I'm using where you have learned that where is always comes after the you, we, but why I am just putting where after I gave I? So the thing is, when you are stating a sentence which is not directly possible, you're just wishing it. Okay, I'm not saying that I will, I'm saying just if I were a prime minister. It means it is not reality, it is I'm just dreaming about it, I'm just wishing about it. So these kinds of sentence which you're just wishing sentence, I can say somehow, okay, which is not reality, you're just wishing, you're just dreaming, you're just saying that if this was that, I would do that. Okay, like this, you need to understand the sense, not the grammatical scientific matter, the sense, which I'm saying I'm wishing that if I were this, I would do that. Okay, so whenever you are stating this kind of sentence, you should not be using if I was. You need to give if I were. Okay, and after you give if I were, you need to give I would after the sentence, such as if I were a prime minister, I would focus on education, technology, business. Then why did I say I would? I could have said I will. As same way, whenever you are wishing, so you should not be saying I will, you should be saying I would, because you are not just completely saying that you will do it, you're just basically wishing it. So that's the reason you need to be saying I would. So the complete sentence is: if I were prime minister, I would focus on education, technology and business. That's it. So this sentence is perfectly correct, absolutely correct, and you should be using sentence like this. So thank you so much learning this valuable lesson and grow your English with Waterfall. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.